Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, pick the GNC Apple Cider Vinegar and confirm concentration and whether it contains the mother. Measure 2 teaspoons for your first trial, because lower doses reduce irritation while you test tolerance. Mix that in 8 to 12 ounces of water or a mild herbal tea. This dilutes acidity and protects enamel. Once done, stir and taste. If too sharp, add more water. Make sure to have a straw and rinse mouth after to minimize tooth exposure. Now continue. Decide how you'll integrate GNC ACV before meals to help blunt post-meal glucose and curb appetite, or mixed into a salad dressing for a gentler delivery. If swallowing liquid bothers you, consider GNC ACV capsules, but remember dosing differences. Once you commit, limit intake to once or twice daily. Overuse risks low potassium and digestive upset. Make sure to space from medications by 1 to 2 hours, especially diuretics or insulin, to avoid unwanted interactions. To finish, always rinse your mouth with plain water and wait at least 30 minutes before brushing teeth to protect enamel. If you experience heartburn, throat pain, or persistent nausea, stop immediately and reduce the dose or frequency. Sometimes taking ACV with food solves reflux. Once done, monitor outcomes for 2 to 4 weeks. Note changes in digestion, energy, and appetite, and check labs if you're taking medications. If problems persist, seek medical advice to adjust use safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.